Hi everyone, welcome to Pal to Tech. I've talked about security cameras from eufySecurity before, and this week they released the brand new 4K solar-powered 2-camera system, the eufyCamS3 Pro. This new video camera system, which is a significant upgrade from the previous eufyCamS3 model, includes a number of new and industry-leading features. These include the new adaptive spotlight and MaxColor vision technology, as well as the brand new motion detection system that reduces false alerts by up to 99%. So inside the box, you get the main Homebase 3 unit, your mounting kit, screw packs, 3 camera ball head mounts, a USB-C and a network cable, a power adapter, and of course, the 2 S3 Pro cameras. The cameras include a built-in solar panel on the top that's 50% larger than the eufyCam3. And this new solar panel can keep the camera fully charged with just 1 hour of sunlight per day. This is made possible by Eufy's brand new Solar Plus 2.0 technology. And its advanced circuitry ensures that partial shade won't prevent the camera's ability to stay charged. However, it does also include a special external solar panel that plugs into the camera's USB-C port. You can then reposition the panel further away if you perhaps need a better angle to capture the sunlight. The camera will then automatically switch between the 2 power modes if needed. And lastly, you do now have the option to connect the cameras to a wired power source as well. The Homebase 3 unit connects into your home network via the LAN port right here on the back. The 2 USB ports allow for charging devices and also for data transfer. Speaking of data, there are 16 gigabytes of built-in storage. But there's also a removable magnetic cover that pops off, revealing a hard drive bay inside. This gives you the option to add another hard drive if you want to increase your storage for years of footage. And because it's built-in storage, you don't have to worry about cloud subscription storage fees or privacy issues. Your video footage is stored locally and it's accessible right on the unit itself. To set up the cameras and connect them to the storage unit, you are prompted to download the eufySecurity app. The app will walk you through connecting the cameras, naming the cameras, and checking to be sure that everything is properly connected and synced with the Homebase unit. At this point, you mount and install your cameras, which takes about 10 minutes and is very easy. They can be mounted not only on wood surfaces, but also have included screws and guides to mount to concrete or a brick wall. Once the mounting base is attached to where you want it, the camera is then screwed into the base. You can easily adjust the camera's position and field of view. It's weather resistant with an IP67 rating. If you do want to use the additional solar panel, there is a third mounting base that you can mount it to. Once you have the cameras mounted to where you want them, you can now open the app and explore the features and additional setup options. Here you can see footage from both cameras as well as the Homebase 3 unit. It's compatible with both Google Assistant and Amazon Echo devices. Not only that, but it's also Apple HomeKit compatible. If you do have additional cameras already that are connected to an older Homebase, the app will prompt you to switch them over. Your storage is shown here, and you also have a video archive option if you do decide to add that optional external hard drive. The biggest and the most exciting new feature is the new MaxColor vision technology. Right here, the camera's screenshot shows what daytime looked like. However, it's nighttime now. Look at how bright this is. Can you believe it's nighttime? If you go into the night vision settings, you can choose from several combination options of exposure and motion clarity settings. This allows you to choose one that is best for where your camera is located. You also have an option for infrared as well. There are 4 video resolution options, as well as an automatic resolution option. One of the main new features is the ProSystem's BionicMind AI, which identifies faces, humans, packages, vehicles, and pets. You can add the faces of familiar people to the app, and then what this does is it builds up a library of your family members. Then it uses this information to inform you if the cameras notice strangers versus people you know. The new AI-powered features allow you to turn on the enhanced Pro Detection motion detection system for both cameras to work together. There's additional settings for audio, notifications, general device options, including firmware updates. The new Pro detection system combines both radar and passive infrared to more accurately identify human movement and reduce false alerts by up to 99%. The motion detection features allow you to set various activity zones, as well as set human, pet, vehicle, and other detection options. Another new feature is called Adaptive Spotlight. If a subject is detected and then the spotlight is triggered, the light will adapt based on the brightness of the subject, and you'll end up with the best exposure and image quality. You can also touch right on the screen to adjust the exposure quality of the spotlight, and the lighting will adjust to give you a better image. In addition to higher video image quality, the audio has also been improved with a new AI-driven noise reduction technology.
Background noise is filtered out and human voices are captured more clearly. You can communicate using full duplex two-way simultaneous speaking and listening.
There's also a 100 decibel alarm that can be activated, as well as a flashing light. All of the camera's past recordings are available in the app, where you can filter by people you know, strangers, as well as other options and event types. You can even download the footage straight to your smartphone and share that as well. Overall, these smart home protection products have come a long way and now are better than ever with the new AI-driven features and enhanced video and audio. I will leave a link down below this video where you can check out more information about the eufyCamS3 Pro. A special thank you to eufySecurity for sponsoring today's video and supporting the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.